Hello, this is Rick Hohn, and I would like to encourage you to get my autobiography, More Than a Watchmaker, available on my website, www.spiritwheelsministry.com. A Kindle version is also available on Amazon. The book is guaranteed to make you laugh and cry through many incidents. Living with cerebral palsy hasn't been easy, but I wouldn't trade it for anything, because I get to share the good news of Jesus in unique ways. It also is only a tiny speck of time compared to eternity. I wouldn't trade my life for anything. With my book, I share my heart with you, and to instill in all of you that you are more than conquerors, because Jesus is more than a conqueror. I would like to tell the reason that my autobiography is entitled More Than a Watchmaker. When my parents saw that I wasn't developing normally at 2 years old, they took me to see a noted pediatrician, specializing in orthopedics. After examining me, she sat down with my mom and dad to say that I had cerebral palsy from my abnormal delivery at birth. As all concerned parents do, my mom and dad asked the doctor if I would be able to walk, talk, and everything that a normal kid does. The wise doctor told my parents that I would never make a watch, but I would certainly be a contributor to society. The prognosis has been altogether true, but with tremendous difficulties. In fact, in editing my book, that I haven't seen for many years, I was reminded at the numerous hardships as well as hilarious times that I have been through. Indeed, I am more than a watchmaker, trying to fit intricate pieces together. So, visit my website, or Amazon, pick up a book, and email me about the book. Thank you and God bless.